Good morning, my dear friends. I'm Dr. Neha Bhatia, and today I am going to discuss how to perform addition and subtraction with the help of Vedic mathematics. What is Vedic mathematics? Vedic mathematics is the collection of ancient techniques which are used in solving and making our calculations very easier and faster. It consists of 16 formulas called sutras and 13 sub-formulas called sub-sutra. Let us start with first basic operation, that is addition. How we can perform addition of numbers with the help of Vedic mathematics technique. So, first is addition. In conventional maths, we start from right to left. But in Vedic mathematics, we are going to start from left to right. For example, if we have to add, say, 46 plus 97. So, we are going to write the numbers in row form and we are going to start from the left side. Now, 4 plus 9 is 13. So, we are going to put 0 after 3 and this will become 130. Next step is 130 plus 6 plus 7 and this will become 143. So, the final answer will be 143. Let us take another example. Say 692 we have to add to 574. So, we are going to write the numbers in row form 692, 574 and we are going to start from left. 6 plus 5 is 11 and this will become 110. Next is we are going to add 110 to 9 plus 7. That is the numbers that are present in the next column and this will become 126. Again we are going to put 0 after 6 and this will become 1260. And we are going to add the numbers in the next column, that is 2 plus 4 to 1260 and so the final answer will be 1266. Let us take another example where we are adding three numbers, say 67 plus 76 plus 55. Again we are going to write the numbers in the row form 67, 76 and 55. We are going to start our working from left side. 6 plus 7 is 13 and 13 plus 5 is 18. So, this will become 180. In the next step, we are going to add 7, 6 and 5, that is the numbers that are present in the next column to our previous answer, which is 180, and this will become which is 198. So the final answer is 198. So this is the first technique of Vedic mathematics with the help of which we can perform addition. Next technique is using the sutra Ekadikein Purvein, which means that one more than the previous. Let us take an example. Say, if we have to add 432 plus 697 plus 852. In the first step, we are going to write the numbers in the row form. Next is, we are going to consider the rightmost column. See, 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So, here we are going to consider the unit place and we are going to write this here, and the number in the one place, which is 1, that will be written in the form of the dot above 5. So, the number will become 1 in the unit place, and the one that we have obtained in the tens place, that will be written as a dot on the adjacent number in the next column. Let us see what is happening in the next column now. 3 plus 9 is 12. So, 2 will be written here and 1 will be treated as a dot and will be placed above 6. So, 2 and it will become 2. So, 2 plus 5 dot, 5 dot here is 6, because dot is 1, and so it will become 2 plus 6, 8. Now, the last column, 4 plus 6 dot is 7. So, 4 plus 7 is 11. So, there is no digit over here. So, we are going to place a 0 over here. And we are going to get 4 plus 7, which is 11. 1 will come here and 1 at the 10th place will be treated as a dot and will be placed above 0. So, we are left with 1. 1 plus 8 is 9 and 0 can be written here. Now, 0 dot is 1. So, our final answer is 1981. Let us take another example. If we have to add, say, 45 plus 73 plus 69 plus 84 plus 92. So, we are going to first write these numbers in the row form. Now, we are going to concentrate on the rightmost column. So, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 7 will be written over here and 1 will be placed as a dot above 6. Now, next is 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 will be written over here and 1 at the 10th place will be placed as a dot above 8. And last is 1 plus 2 is 3. Now, we are going to move to the next column. 4 plus 7 is 11 and so 1 will be kept here and 1 at the 10th place will be treated as a dot and will be placed above 0. Next is 1 plus 6 dot. 6 dot is 6 plus 1, which is 7. So, 1 plus 7 here is 8. Next, 8 plus 8 dot, which is 9. So, we are getting 17. 7 will be kept here and 1 will be placed as a dot above 0. So next is 7 plus 9 is 16. 6 will be kept here and 1 will be placed as a dot above 0. So the final answer here is 6. Next we are going to shift to the next column. So 0 dot we know is 0 plus 1 or ek adike of 0 is 1. So this will become 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is 3. So final answer here is 363. Let us take another example. Say if we have to add 85693 plus 47325 plus 96113. So first step is that we are going to write the given numbers in the row form as 85693, 47325, 96113. Now we are going to start from the rightmost column. We can see here that 3 plus 5 is 8 and so the number is less than 10. So we are not going to put any 0 on the adjacent number. So now next is 8 plus 3, it is 11. 1 will be kept over here and the 1 at the tens place will become the dot on 1. So the final answer here will be 1. Now we are going to move to the next column. 9 plus 2 is 11. So 1 of the unit place will be kept here and 1 at the 10th place will become a dot and that will be placed above 3. So this is 1 plus 1 dot. 1 plus 1 dot, 1 dot is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So final answer here is 3. Now we are going to move to the next column. 6 plus 3 dot, which is 6 plus 4, which is 10. So 0 will be put here and 1 will be placed above 7 in the form of dot and 0 plus 1 is 1. In the next column, we see that 5 plus 7 dot, 7 dot is 8. So 5 plus 8 is 13. So 3 will be kept here and 1 will be placed as a dot above 4. Next is 3 plus 6 is 9. In the next column, 8 plus 4 dot, which is 5, is 13. So 3 will be kept here and dot will be your 1 of the 13 and will be placed above 0. Next is 3 plus 9 is 12. So 2 will be kept here and 1 will be placed above 0. In the next column, we see that 0 dot is 1. So it will be 1 plus 1, 2. And so this is your final answer. So using this technique, which is also known as dot method, we can perform addition of any number of digits. Next comes the method of completing the wholeness. Here we are going to use the sutra by the deficiency. That is, how much a number differs by its wholeness. We can see that 7, 8, 9 are close to 10, 17, 18, 19 are close to 20, 27, 28, 29 are numbers close to 30 and so on. So let us follow this method and see how we can perform addition. For example, if we have to add 48 plus 46, we can see that both the numbers are closer to 50 and 48 is 2 lesser than 50 and 46 is 4 lesser than 50. So what we can do is 48 can be written as 50 minus 2 and 46 can be written as 50 minus 4. So 50 plus 50 is 100 and this is minus 6 and this will become 94. So using this technique we can write the numbers which are closer to the base. Basically we can write the bases and then we can add or subtract the deficiency accordingly. Let's take another example. Say 462 plus say 782. Okay. So now we can see that this number can be written as 460 plus 2 plus 780 plus 2 and this further can be written as 460 plus 780 plus 4 and this will become 1240 plus 4 and the answer is 1244. So instead of calculating the numbers, we can change them with the help of their bases and sub-bases and we can perform addition. Fourth technique is the 10-point circle. This is basically the representation of numbers from 1 to 10 on a circle. In a cyclic progression. And using this, we observe that there are 5 unique pairs which add up to 10. 5 unique pairs that add up to 10. 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6 and 5 plus 5. Now the next question is why 10-point circle is important. So let us see how it is important. For example, if I have to add say 48 plus 16 plus 32 plus 54. Now, I can see that 8, if I concentrate at the unit place, I can see that 8 plus 2 is 10 and 6 plus 4 is 10. So, I am going to club these numbers and going to perform addition. 48 plus 32 plus 16 plus 54. So, this will become 80 plus 70, which is 150. Let us take another example. Say 356 plus 108 plus 234. Here we can see that the numbers at the unit place are 6, 8 and 4. And we know that 6 plus 4 add up to 10. So, we are going to perform addition of 356 plus 234 first. So, we are going to get 590, plus 108, and this will become 698. So, with the help of 4 techniques, we can perform addition with the help of Vedic mathematics. Next comes the subtraction. For subtraction, first technique that we are going to follow is with the help of the Nikhilam Sutra. Which means that all from 9 and last from 10. And this sutra is helpful for finding or performing the operations which are closer to the base, that is the numbers which are in the form of powers of 10, say 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs and so on. For example, if we want to subtract from 34, 1000 minus 34, or we have to subtract 34 from 1000, we are going to write these numbers in row form and using the Nikhilam Sutra. Last from 10 is 10 minus 4, 6, and all from 6, 9 minus 3, 6, 9. So, this is the answer. Let us take another example. If we have to subtract 936 from 1000000, that is basically 10 lakh. So, we are going to write these numbers in the row form and then using the Nikhilam Sutra, last number from 10 is 10 minus 6, 4, and remaining from 9, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 9 is 0, then this is 9, 9, 9. So, what we are getting is 999,064. This is the final answer. Next case is, or basically the example, what happens if the numbers are not closer to the base? Let's say if it is 600 minus 46. Now, in such cases, we can write our 600 as 500 plus 100 minus 46. And in the last two numbers, we can perform Nikhilam Sutra as 100 minus 46. So this will be last from 10, 10 minus 6 is 4 and remaining from 9, 9 minus 4 is 5. So we are getting here as 54 and so the final answer is 554. So in this manner, we can subtract any number from the numbers which are closer to the base or the sub-base. Next method that is used in performing subtraction with the help of Vedic mathematics is again ek adikain purvain, which means that one more than the previous. And also we are going to follow the best friend method technique. Here what we do is the best friend of 9 is 1, 8 is 2. Basically best friend is how? In local language we say that a friend who helps us in every situation is our best friend. In mathematics is this similar. How 9 will be helped in 1 in subtraction with the help of 1, we are going to see that. How 8 will be held by 2 and how 7 will be held by 3, 6, best friend is 4. We are adding 1 to 9 to get 10. 2 is added to 8 to get 10. 3 is added to 7 to get 10 and 4 is added to get 10, which is our base. So, the best friend of 9 is 1, 2 is 8, best friend of 7 is 3 and best friend of 6 is 4. Okay? Now let us see how these best friends are going to help their friends. For example, if we have to perform this operation, subtraction, say 463 minus 289. So first step is we are going to write these numbers in row form. Now we can see that if we start from the right column, 3 is less than 9 or 9 is greater than 3. So we can't perform the subtraction. So what are we going to do is now we are going to use the best friend of 9. We know that best friend of 9 is 1 or basically 9 dot, that will become 10. So what we can do is instead of doing the operation with 9, we are going to perform the operation with the best friend which is 1 and so this will become 3 plus 1 which is 4 and we are going to put here a dot because we are using the best friend of 9. So this will become 6 plus 8 dot I know is 9 and again 6 is less than 9. So again we are going to take the help of best friend of 9. So 6 plus 1 again. So this will become 7 and we are going to place 1 dot over 2. And last column is 4 minus 2 dot, 2 dot is 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So the final answer here is 174. Say we have 6835 minus 4976. So let me write these numbers in row form, and we are going to follow the best friend technique. Let us start from right side. We can see in the last column that 5 is less than 6. So now we have to perform subtraction. We are going to call the best friend of 6, and best friend of 6 is 4. That is, how do we calculate? What should be added to 6 so that we obtain 10? So now 5 will be added to 4, and here we are going to write 9. Okay, since we have called the best friend, okay, so we have borrowed a number, so we are going to place a dot above 7. Okay, now let us move to the next column. Again we can see that 3 is less than 7 dot. Now 7 dot is एक आदिकेन पूर्वेन of 7, एक आदिकेन दिकेन पूर्वेन of 7 is 8. Okay, and best friend of 8 is 2. So we are going to add 2 to 3. So this will become 5. And again, since we have used the best friend technique, so we are going to put a dot over here. Okay, we have borrowed a number from the left. Now again 8 is less than 9 dot. Okay, and 9 dot is again एक आदिकेन पूर्वेन of 9 is 10. So here what we can see is this is becoming 10. So this is 8 plus 0, which is 0, and the 10, the 1 will be carried over here as a dot above 4. So now in the next step, what are we going to do is we are going to perform subtraction. 6 minus 4 dot is 5. See, I am writing here 4 dot, which is 6 minus 5, which is 1. So this is the answer. When we subtract 4976 from 6835, we obtain the answer as 1859 with the help of best friend technique.